My name is Ponga Savela, aka Punu. Come, let us play these following games. This one is called Donkey in Bongolo. This is how you play this game. You need plus or minus 10 people to play it. Remember, there is no winner in this game, only losers. The winner will come out at the end of the game. I hope you enjoy playing this game. Each player will be given number depending on the numbers of the players. Example, number 1, 2, 3, etc. One of the players must throw the ball up in the air and call a number. The player whose number is called will run and catch the ball. When he catches the ball, he must throw it in the air and call another number. If he fails to catch the ball before it reaches the ground, all players must run away.
Talking about what? Stop!
He must pick up the ball and say stop. All players must stop. Then he must hit the nearest player. If he misses the player, he gets a D. And if he hits the player, that player will get a D.
Punishment. Iman, oh.
Stop!
Hey, when I'm talking number 3.
The game will go on and on and on until the player gets the last letter of donkey, which is Y. The player must get punishment which everyone has agreed on. But remember, the punishment must not be harsh. This is our secretary, Zama. And these are the players. Donkey number 1.
Man Delicious.
And donkey number 2.
Snippish.
Donkey number 3. Melissa Love. Donkey number 4.
Apelele.
Donkey number 5.
Sibe.
Donkey number 6.
Delicious.
Donkey number 7.
Letitia.
Donkey number 8.
Amanda.